Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dipping your toes into investing and want to learn how to buy iShares ETFs on Robinhood, you're in the right spot. iShares, created by BlackRock, are exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that make it easy to invest in a basket of stocks, bonds, or other assets without picking individual ones. They're perfect for beginners looking to diversify. First, ensure you have a Robinhood account. If not, download the app from your phone's store and sign up quickly with your email or phone number. It's free and user-friendly. Once logged in, open the Robinhood app or head to the website. Go to the search bar at the top and type in the iShares ETF you're interested in, like the iShares Core S&P 500 ETF with the ticker IVV. This will pull up all the details. Take a moment to review the information displayed, including the current price, historical performance chart, and key stats. This step is crucial to make sure it fits your investment goals. Now, hit the Trade button. You'll see options to enter the number of shares or the dollar amount you want to buy. Robinhood even allows fractional shares, so you don't need a ton of cash to get started. Double-check your order type, whether it's a market order for immediate purchase or a limit order to set your price. Once everything looks good, tap Submit to place your order. Congratulations, you've just bought an iShares ETF. After that, monitor your portfolio in the app and set up any price alerts. Remember, investing always carries risks, so do your own research and consider talking to a financial advisor before diving in. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. See you next time.